Yep. Better not go up, I'll be hard to film. Cool. I can't see you properly, Nathan, I'm looking at it here.